Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to show you something you can do with that leftover pumpkin from Thanksgiving. Let's get started. These are called pumpkin cake muffins. 2 ingredients, so delicious. You can have them for breakfast with coffee in the afternoon. You can add a little icing for a dessert. It's a really good way to get use out of any leftover cans of pumpkin that you might have in the house. Both of these items came from Dollar Tree. I was very excited to see that they're starting to sell Pillsbury. You're going to pour the cake mix in. I've got a handsome little helper here today. Next, you're going to scoop out the can of pumpkin into the bowl. Because of the pumpkin, you do not need to include the eggs, the water, or the oil that the box asks for. This is simply a 2-ingredient pumpkin cupcake muffin mix. All right, let's get to stirring. Once you have it thoroughly mixed, you're going to fill each of the muffin liners. Once you fill them up, you're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Here they are, coming out of the oven. They smell amazing. Here it is on the plate. Opened it up. It's very cakey and moist. So Wyatt, take a bite and let's see how it tastes. It looks like cake. What you think?
Yum.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So there you have it, folks. You can take your leftover pumpkin from the holidays and turn it into a delicious treat for your family. Thanks for watching, and until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!